Hello, 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 beautiful soul. I want to take a moment to invite you to my upcoming 3-hour workshop that's called Healing the Good Girl workshop, where I will help you not only to understand your good girl mold, but give you some powerful tools to help you to start or continue healing that good girl inside of you. And you also get real life feedback to help you really understand and zone in on the tools that you have access to for the rest of your life, and you can use them anytime and every time you need them, as well as you will have lifetime access to the actual workshop, which you can watch and rewatch as many times as you need to and when you need it as well. But I don't want you to wait. I want you to go and register right now because the spots are limited. I want to make sure that I'm available to each and every person during this workshop to make sure that the things that they learn are really digested really well. And you'll find the link somewhere around this video to do just that, to register right now before the time and the spots run out. And I am super excited to see you there, and more excited to hear about your experience after the workshop is done. And until then, bye.